Hi guys, I'm doing this again. The Apple Carplay installed into the factory screen without changing any external screen, and this time I'm do this in a Audi Q5. So basically now the CarPlay is actually connected with my phone that I'm filming this video now. It's in wireless. I didn't do any connection with wire, so it's running in wireless now. And let's simply go through all this app that's supported in Apple CarPlay again. Okay, I know I'm doing this kind of video repeat and repeat, but this is just made for the our Audi customer or Audi user who wish to know more about this. So see, everything looks original, and control with the steering here to get the apps that you want. Okay, Waze. So this is the destination I setting just now. Let me stop it and do it again. Okay, so I stop the Waze. So if let's say I can search the place here. Okay, so we have the history. Okay, or you can actually this Waze you can control it from either the car here, or you can do it in your phone also. And if you do it in the phone, will be faster, and the information will be automatically synchronized to here. And this is, let's say, go this one. So you can see the Waze is started to bring you the place. And then, okay, so sometimes you want to change the route, you can select here, see which is a better route to you. Okay, if let's say I would choose go this one, and then select go. Okay, I'm not sure why it's keep calculating now, because maybe because I'm filming this video with my phone. So let me quit this, and let's say if I want to go to menu, so we have other than Waze, we have a Google Maps and also the Spotify. So you can play the music with the navigation together, and also you can download the radio apps like His, Shaw, or that you can play them together. Okay, YouTube Music also support. So that's simple of the Apple CarPlay. And if you wish to know more about this upgrade, contact us. We were happy to provide you more information on this. Thank you very much for watching, and see you again in the next video. Bye.